Hi guys, my name is Naija and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. Since I'm a real estate broker here in New York, I figured I'm gonna just start taking you guys on apartment tours so you can see what apartments in New York City really look like. Since it's the most beautiful day in Manhattan, so glad that spring has finally sprung, I'm gonna show you a private townhouse in the exclusive West Village. We have finally made it into this apartment. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath apartment right off 7th Avenue South. I mean, you can't get more convenient than this. You've got Christopher Street, Stonewall, like every single restaurant, brunch around here is amazing. So a 3-bedroom, 2-bath apartment. It is a triplex technically, but your living space is on 2 floors, so we're looking at a duplex. So let's get started with the tour. Here we have the first bedroom. Now, what I love about this apartment is every room has absolutely amazing lighting. You might hear a bit of an echo because in New York City, apartments are empty, so they usually don't come furnished. I think this bedroom could fit a queen-size bed, a desk, and a dresser. You wouldn't be able to get too much in here, but with a view like this, I mean, I would want my space to be as empty as possible. We're kind of going for the minimalist feel. You have one large closet, and what I love what they did is they exposed the brick. Now, a lot of old school New York apartments have brick behind the walls, and when they renovate them, they expose it and they look absolutely gorgeous. Most apartments in New York City never come with air conditioning. You have to actually get someone to come in and put a unit in the window. It looks really ugly. But this apartment has air conditioners in every room, and to some people that may not seem like a big deal, but in New York for us, this is amazing. It's central heating. We kind of feel like we're in the suburbs. So now we are in the downstairs bathroom, and this is a bathroom that either guests will use or the person who has that bedroom will use. And this is what I wanted to show you guys. A washer dryer. I wish I had a washer dryer in my apartment. Another thing that may not seem like a big deal to other people, but to us here in New York, washer dryers are like the epitome of success. You usually have to go on the street, walk 2 or 3 blocks with a shopping cart. I'm an old lady, I have a shopping cart. And do your laundry. Or if there is laundry, it's in the basement and it's not nice down there. So having a washer dryer in the apartment, top notch. Welcome to the kitchen. This is where everything is going to happen. Now, the kitchen is combined with the living room. It's not big enough where you'd be able to get a proper dining space, but you can definitely put an island in here and make some more storage space. But you've got everything that you would need here. You've got cabinet space, beautiful countertops. You've got this beautiful range stove. I don't cook that much, but if I had a boo, he could come over and cook for me. So you've got a wine fridge, a dishwasher, almost forgot what that was. But what I love about this, because this is where I live, is the refrigerator. And for some reason, I just love apartments that have these refrigerators where the freezer's at the bottom and the refrigerator part is at the top. I don't know, am I weird? That's like so fun for me. And so we have the freezers, 2 freezers, good for Trader Joe's frozen goods, and Haagen-Dazs or Ben & Jerry's ice cream. I don't know, whatever you like. Now we'll head over to the living room, and I want you guys to just see that we are on a corner unit. So you have so much light in this apartment. If you don't like light, then this is probably not the best apartment for you, but there's so much light that comes in. You've got south facing, and you've got, what is that? I think that's west? Yeah, west. I remember my directions. So we've got south and we've got west facing, and look at this fireplace. Not many apartments in New York have a fireplace. So let's see, I think it's gas. Oh, I think these rocks are fake. How do we turn this thing on? All right, I don't want to blow up, so we're gonna leave that alone for right now. But I want to tell you guys the price of this apartment. As you can see from the title, this apartment is $15,000. The landlord is giving for new tenants 1 month free. So technically, I think it's like $13,842 or something like that. It's a steal. It's a perfect place for you. I want to know in the comments below if you think that this apartment is worth $15,000. If you have $15,000, would you live here? All right, let's head upstairs and see the other bedrooms. So we are now into the first bedroom upstairs, and you could fit about the same size furniture in this bedroom, but what you love about this bedroom the most is the windows. The windows are kind of like regular windows, but also skylights. Like I said, if you don't love light, this isn't the apartment for you. But imagine like your bed here and you waking up to the beautiful trees, the sounds of the sirens, the streets. Who doesn't want that? And the last thing in this bedroom is a small little balcony. It's not much, but it is something that we usually don't get here in the city. And you can just put like a small little table and chairs out here, come upstairs, have your morning coffee, eat your eggs. Can you see it? Can you visualize it? A little small table and chairs is really all that you need in this, and it will make it a little paradise. Now this is a girl's dream of a bathroom. A girl's dream of a bathroom. Do you hear me? I love all of the light. I mean, you don't even need to turn on any lights in this apartment, but especially if you're in this bathroom and you're like doing your makeup, the perfect lighting. Selfies. This is a selfie bathroom if I've ever seen one. This bathroom and the bathroom downstairs both have the marble tiles, brand new, renovated. It's beautiful. And what I love is this deep soaking tub. I mean, I'm gonna get in it. You could fit at least, oh, my bones. You could fit at least 3 people in this tub. I love this. You could have all of your bath products, your candles. Are you guys understanding what I'm talking about? Your candles, just imagine it, your music. This tub is amazing. I have this beautiful rain shower. Now, for someone like me, I'm 5'9", so this is a little cartoonish, but I'm pretty sure you can like move it up. I don't want to break anything. Let's just leave that alone. But a beautiful rain shower you have. Let's keep going. Last but not least, we are headed to the last bedroom. And I guess this is what will be called the master. And it has the most amazing light. So you also have a private deck off of this unit, and this deck is even bigger. Once again, 2 exposures as we have just in the living room as well, and amazing sunlight in this unit. I think this one has, you can see a little bit more of the skylights. You have the recessed lighting in this apartment, so it'll get good lighting. What a lot of people don't know is that in New York, landlords are not required to provide overhead lighting in bedrooms and living rooms, only in hallways and bathrooms. So another thing that you may not think is a big deal, but to us, we love. Let's head over to the bigger balcony in this apartment. So this is the bigger balcony in the apartment. And yes, you can fit a small table and chairs out here as well, but I think you could even fit a large kind of sofa, which is perfect for entertaining right off of your bedroom. And most importantly, you have this amazing view of 7th Avenue South. I don't think the view gets much better than this, especially on a small building where you can really see everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this tour. If you are not subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're doing, because I'm going to be doing tours like this and other fun New York City content in the future. So I would love to see you back here again. And let me know in the comments below if you really think this apartment is worth $15,000. You're not gonna offend me, I don't own it, but I would love to hear your thoughts below, so let me know. And I can't wait to see you back here again soon.